Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome back again to another new video. So finally I am excited to announce that we are at the end of our course Linux for Hacker series. This video will not gonna any part of any learning material like any topic or any subject, but this is the ending video of our Linux for Hacker course. In this video we're gonna see what we have learned in this journey. So let's get started. So at the beginning of our course Linux for Hacker series, we have seen introduction to Linux, where we have gone through history of Linux and some cool stuffs are there. And then the second part we have learned about the Linux file structure, how Linux file structure hierarchy work in Unix like environment. And then we seen some Linux commands like file management command. Then we have seen Linux users and group management command. And on the part 5 we have seen how we can handle file permissions in Linux to manage files and directory efficiently in a secure manner. And then we have seen some networking command and system commands of Linux, how we can manage system resources and how we can communicate with network devices within Linux. We have seen. Then we have seen how we can use efficient and very text editors, like cool text editor like Nano, Vim, gedit, etc. And then there was a bonus video which was AI powered Kali Linux terminal. And then we have seen some package managers in Linux such as apt, yum, pacman, etc. And then we have seen some Linux command line tools such as curl, wget, ssh, ftp, etc. And then we have started our shell scripting, where we have seen how shell scripting is work in Linux environment and why it is necessary to learn. And then we have seen some cool terminal shortcuts which you need to learn before wasting so much times in little stuffs. And then we have continued our shell scripting, where we have learned in our printing our first shell script, and then data types and variables. And also we have learned conditional statements like if, else, elif, etc. And then in our shell scripting video we have been through loops such as for loop, until loop, while loop, etc. And then we have learned bash functions. Then we have learned case statements, how case statement is very useful than using if else like statement. And at the last part of our course we have learned how arrays work in bash shell scripting and how we can use them to automate tasks. So this was all our recap of Linux for Hacker series. So I think there was 20 episode what we have in our Linux for Hacker course. So if you are a beginner and thinking of to starting your ethical hacking journey, then this Linux course is for you. It will be helpful if you are a beginner or if you are an intermediate, whatever, doesn't matter, but this full series will help you in your Linux journey and your ethical hacking journey. So one last thing I want to say, that if you think this course will helpful, then show some love, share this course with your friends, and hit the subscribe button if you found this video helpful. See you in the next course videos. Till then, keep learning, keep hacking, and goodbye.